My intuition is telling me they'll be better.
Okay, so I got the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered in my Ipsy Glam Bag, and I have been playing with it a little bit, so I'm actually going to recreate the first look I did using this palette because I just think it's so gorgeous. So, okay, so I'm going to take a DEMURE with an E27 and use that as my transition color. Just going back and forth in my crease. It's kind of like a light pinkish coral, and I really do think the quality of these shadows are good. So now we are going to take, it's a Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, like a tapered blending brush, and go in with Doll Parts, which is this really pretty like baby pink, and just put that more tightly in the crease. I apologize that because I'm talking in the video, I wasn't planning on doing a voiceover, but I was trying out a new microphone and it sounded horrible. But okay, back to the tutorial. Then I go back in with my E27 and blend it out. So now I'm taking my Sigma E25 and we're gonna go in with RISQUÉ, which is a pretty like burgundy. And I'm kind of like swiping it in at a diagonal first, and then I'm patting it on the outer third and then bringing it into the crease. And then I'm just gonna go back in with some more and pat it on the outer third. Drag it into the crease and then go back in with the previous brush and blend it out. Now I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue because her shimmers definitely need some sort of base, and I'm just going to put that on my lid, and then I'm going to go in with Pink Diamond. This, of course, I was just immediately drawn to this shade. It's so gorgeous. I actually thought there would be more like pinkish shimmers considering it was a rose gold palette, but I don't know, I just really love this shade. So now I'm going to go in with Man Eater. It's kind of like a reddish burgundy, and a pencil brush, and I'm just going to put that in the outer V of my eye and blend it in with our lid shade as well. Just darken up the outer corner and then go back in with the previous brush and blend it out. And now I'm just doing the exact same thing on the other side. Just laying down the product first, blending it in with the lid shade, and then going back in with the E25. So I didn't have any setting spray because I'm moving, so I'm taking this Sephora, it's like a highlighting mist, to dampen my brush, and then go back in with our lid shade Pink Diamond. So it actually did a good job of making that more metallic. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm going in with this NYX Faux White eyeliner. It's kind of like a nudish pink, and putting that in my lower waterline. And then I am going back in with Doll Parts, which is that pink, and a flat definer brush, and putting that across my lower lash line. And then I also go in with that maroonish color just towards the outer part. BECCA. Now to highlight, there's nothing really in the palette, so I'm taking my BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector in Pearl, which I end up having to go back over after I do my brows, but just to show you what I'm doing. So now I'm just gonna go finish the rest of my makeup, do my brows, and real quick, I wanted to come on here and show you guys the coolest blush I got. It's by Winky Lux, and it's a cream blush, and wait till you see what it looks like. It's a rose, and it's like in this little dome. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. I just wanted to come on camera and show you what it looked like before I ruined the design. Oh, I thought I'd show you guys what it looks like too. And it's actually a really nice blush. Okay, so for a lip, I started with this NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral, and then I used this About Face liquid lipstick that I got from my Ipsy Glam Bag X in Last Good Night. Let me put a little bit more on. So I got a new microphone to film with, and I just listened to the playback of the beginning part of this video, and I apologize because it sounds horrible. So I will definitely be returning that to Amazon. But real quick, let me show you guys a couple more things. How freaking adorable is this? I made this, and I'm just waiting on more of these specific containers to come in so I can make more and put them on my Etsy shop. But I also made this. Oh, look how pretty that is. And I do have these available on my Etsy shop now, and I have a whole bunch of different colors. I have like black and pink, I have white with rose gold, and you do get a makeup brush cleaner to go with it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial with the rose gold palette. I went all rose gold, if you can tell. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.